Okay, Lynn, I will share to you now. We are on 9B. I'm fixing Lynn my schedule. Wait, Lynn. Lynn. Okay, I will show you this one. Okay, so we're done with this, Lynn, right?
Yes.
With me. So, but I guess we are not finished with this. Please tell me. Okay, finish with this, right?
Yes. I think
Mm,
that's in the
this.
middle.
Also this one, Lynn.
Yes.
That's five.
Yes.
Okay. This one.
Mm,
That's six. Finish.
yes.
And this one.
Mm, I
Okay, this
think
one, Lynn.
I think is yes.
Yes or not? Not yet.
Yes.
Okay, this one.
Not
Ten.
not not,
Finish.
not yet here.
Not yet. Okay, please continue this task 10. Okay, just write the correct answer from here. Na, oh, di ka mo dugay mo. Mata ko. Ha? Ako, oh, mata na ka. Huwag mo dapat. Oh, man. Ayun. Ay,
Sure, I'm finished.
okay. Lord, I apologize for my late arrival. Okay, correct. Do you know the word apologize, Lynn?
Yes, it
Yeah,
means
it means that,
so sorry.
oh,
Mm,
you say sorry. Dad complained what? About the noise from the neighbors. Okay, so do you know the word complained?
yes.
Okay, I've often dreamed of flying to the moon. We finish our meal and ask for the bill. Don't laugh at your little sister. It isn't kind. Can you help me with my science? Oh, very good, Lynn. So you try or you truly use the correct word for the different sentences. Okay. Do you think people will ever live on Mars? Why and why not? Use the phrases below to help you.
Uh, I think that people will ever live on Mars. Uh, I'm not sure really, but to be honest, to nowadays people are very mm, they can they can make an AI is very smart, and
Okay.
in the future people will
So,
live on Mars.
so what do you think? Do you think that people can live in Mars? No.
Yes, yes.
You think that people can actually live on live in Mars, or live on Mars. So here, please underline Lynn the correct prepositions.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay. Before, I don't care about money. You look worried. What are you thinking about? Then what do you think about of my new dress? Threw the ball to me. It was unkind to throw a ball at the dog. Okay, I write about my pen friend. I wrote to, I wrote about my teacher agreed with. I don't agree with. Okay. Wow, very good, Lynn. Okay, this one, Lynn. Okay, this is questions, Lynn, ha? Example. What kind of things do you worry about? Okay, that one. Okay, I know that would be very easy for you.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Argue with someone. Who? What? About? Okay. Have you ever complained about anything in restaurant or shop? What was the problem? What kind of music do you listen to? When did you last take part in a race? Very good. How did you do? And if you were going to write a letter to someone, who would it be? Why? Okay, so Lin. Okay, so I will ask question and you have to answer. Okay, ready? Hi, Lynn. Oh, I
Hi,
see you
teacher.
quite a while now. I haven't seen you before. Okay, do not off your camera. Okay, I will ask questions. Okay, how are you, Lynn?
Good.
You make your voice louder so teacher can hear about. Wait ha. Can you make your voice louder, Lynn?
Uh, yes, yeah.
Okay, so what kind of things do you worry about? Oh, you tell me.
Uh, I'm worried about, hmm, I worry about my next test.
Mm-hmm. Why?
Uh, because it's quite hard and I have to stay.
Okay. Okay. When did you last argue with someone? When did you last argue with someone?
Uh, I, I, I awkward with my friend.
Okay. What is it all about that you argue with?
Uh, it's about my, uh, we having a group and we have to draw for the event and we have to agree how to make it beautiful.
Okay. So what kind of music do you like to listen to?
Um, I like K-pop
You
or
like K-pop. Oh, you like K-pop. Okay. So when did you last take part in a race? When did you last take part in a race?
something that I never take part in a race.
You've never take part in a race. If you were going to write a letter to someone famous, who would it be and why?
Uh, I think that I will write a letter to.
You
mm,
will what, Lynn?
I will write a letter to Billie Eilish,
To your
my to my favorite singer.
okay. And what will you gonna write?
Um, will write to her about I really like her song and I want to see her next album.
Okay. It's very good, Lynn. Okay. So Lynn, let us have another activity. Okay, that's nine. What is it, Lynn? 9B, right? So let us have nine. Okay, let us have Okay, so please, Lynn, try to answer this one.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, so Sue, could you go down to the supermarket and get some extra vegetables for dinner as it will be late? Paul and Mary are coming tonight. Thanks, ma'am. Okay, the answer is letter B. They need some extra ingredients in order to make a dinner. Okay. So changing rooms, notice to all students. Please return all locker case to the reception before leaving. Unreturned case are charged $1 a day. The money to replace lost case is taken from £10 member locker users deposit. In letter C. Please continue. Wait, Milena, I'll just go to the bathroom. Please continue, Lynn.
Teacher, I'm finished. Teacher, teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, finish, Lynn. Okay,
Yes,
Lynn.
yes.
Okay, so bicycle parking not permitted Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So during the weekend, all traffic is prohibited, pedestrian use only. Okay, so answer is letter A. Students can park their bicycles late on Friday night if they wish to. So Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Bicycle parking not permitted. Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. During weekends, so students are parked late on Friday. Late on Friday. So what do you mean by late on Friday? That's above 6 p.m. like 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. because the bicycle parking permitted until 6 p.m. only. After that, you can park your bicycles. Okay, to June from Tony, topic, weekend. Hi, June. Wait, Lynn. Bag. Hi, June. How about a backpacking weekend? It will be challenging as the weather forecast predicts frequent showers, hardly sunny camping weather, but we can get comfortable accommodation. Chat you later, Tony. Okay, it is letter B. Okay, one last more. Okay.
Teacher, Aversh.
Okay, amazing winter sale. All sports clothes half price. Buy two t-shirts, get one free. End of season shoes from an incredible 5 pesos, £5 a pair. Okay, what is the answer? It is letter B. Okay, sorry, letter C. Letter C, you get a t-shirt. Shoes are sold at starting price of £5. Letter C. Okay. Okay. So Lynn, we don't have enough time. So teacher Ann will say goodbye. And I will see you, Lynn, on tomorrow. Okay?
Tomorrow.
Yes. Bye, Lynn.
Bye, teacher. Good night, teacher.
Good night.